Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I am Neha and today I will transform myself into a Korean girl. Hashtag Korean look or tutorial. So keep on watching and let's start our today's video. My first product is this aloe vera gel which is from Wow, and I use aloe vera gel as a primer. After that, I have Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Okay, now I'm going to use baby powder on my face to set my foundation. After setting my face by loose powder, I like to use compact powder which is from Maybelline. So I'm going to use this orange type of colors on my eyelids. After that मैं कोई भी shimmery color लेके अपने eyes को अच्छे से blend कर लूँगी. Okay, I will try to make eyebrows like Koreans. Now I'm going to use Lakme ka eyeliner. Now I'm going to contour my face by using same eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to use brown shade from this palette to contour my face. So I have my one and only blush which is from also Wet n Wild. Okay, my blush is done. After that, for lipstick, I'm going to mix these two lipsticks. One is from L18 और इसका color orange है, और another one is from Color Bar. ये red color का है. First, I'm going to use this red one. तो अभी मैं use करूँगी orange color का lipstick. कोरियन मेकअप लुक का 90% कंप्लीट ही हो गया है और 100% भी कंप्लीट हो जाएगा आफ्टर यूजिंग हाइलाइटर. तो हाईलाइट करने के बाद हमारा लास्ट प्रोडक्ट है मस्कारा. So I just complete my Korean makeup look. I'm so happy with this overall look. I really enjoy to make videos for you guys. Hope you guys also enjoy to watch my video. If you guys like my today's video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and give me a big thumbs up and follow me on Instagram, and I will be back soon with another interesting video. Bye.